First Alert radar. 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel, of course, keeping a track of the severe weather alert. Hallie, when's it going to hit?
It certainly could be a long afternoon, Alicia. It looks like the chance for a storm really at any point. The severe weather threat, though, it'll start to build and start to increase after about 3 o'clock this afternoon and stretch out to about 8 o'clock. These, I want to remind you, are going to be very quick hitting storms. So they're not going to sit over one particular area for that long, but street flooding still, that potential is there with some very heavy downpours. We talk about the greatest threat, damaging winds gusting 70 to 75 miles per hour will be possible with the strongest storms, hail as well, and even a few tornadoes. The potential is there. We're in what we call a moderate risk. I tried to look back to see the last time we saw this. I believe it was back in 2013, the last time we were in a moderate risk. So it is pretty unusual for us to see this, for us to be the bullseye. So we really need to make sure that we keep a close eye out this afternoon and you are prepared. Looking at that strong cold front, we really have all the ingredients when we talk about storm development. We have the trigger, the cold front, we have the heat, the humidity, of course, and we're just continuing to watch the instability build. There has been a watch issued just west of us, and there are severe thunderstorms warnings right now ongoing back toward Grand Rapids. So it's already starting to fire up. We, of course, will keep you informed on when we may see a watch. And of course, we always let you know and break in with a warning. But we're going to watch the direction from the southwest and then going up to the northeast, and the direction of these and the speed. We're looking at a speed of these traveling 50 to 55 miles per hour possible. That is very quick. Right now, things are fairly quiet, but it's not going to take long for these storms to develop. Look at the heat we have right now. Temperature near 90 in Lapeer, 89, 85 downtown, 85 in Mount Clemens right now. And our heat index is already in the mid 90s. So we do have the big heat for today. And that's also going to contribute to our storm threat. We see some relief in sight this evening as it starts to at least decrease. That heat index and that cold front finally moves through. Winds outside of any storm chance are already gusty. We're looking at 32 mile per hour winds in Pontiac and Flint, close to that in Windsor. So we do have that lakeshore flood warning for St. Clair and Macomb counties until tomorrow morning. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. The threat increasing even as early as 2, and certainly after 2 o'clock into the 3 o'clock hour. We're seeing some very strong storms on our forecast model. This continues from 4 o'clock into 5 o'clock. So if you get one strong storm, don't let your guard down. Redeveloping storms are a very good possibility through the afternoon into the evening until about 8 o'clock or so. So we're looking at our temperatures today. We know it's hot. It's very muggy, near 90 for a high. We'll drop down to near 60 once the front comes through. We'll be in the mid 70s. Big relief as far as temperatures go tomorrow. And then Friday, we're looking at still 70s, 60s even for the upcoming weekend. So by far, this is the hottest and most active day. We will keep you, of course, posted like we